So here is the box of the almighty Tribit X Free Go wireless Bluetooth headphones. Here are some features that company claims: comfortable, long battery life, foldable design and superior sound quality as well. And here are the headphones, like these are how they look. So let's unbox it. So here we go. I like this about Tribit that they offer this hard case which makes it easy to carry the headphone. So nothing else we get in the box. So box को रखते हैं बाजू में और आते हैं इस hard case पे. So the feel of the hard case is nice. Zippers are quite normal, means average quality zippers आहेत आणि इकडे branding आहे Tribit ची. So now let's hop on into this hard case and take actual look of our headphones. So let's unzip this hard case and see what all accessories we get with our headphones. So here we go and let's open it up. So here are our headphones, Tribit X Free Go. So let's keep them aside for now and see what else we get. So here is a mesh compartment in the hard case where you can carry the cables. So we get these two cables over here. So first of all is the 3.5 mm to 3.5 mm aux cable, and the quality is quite decent, I would say. These are gold plated, so yes, the quality is quite decent. And other cable is the type C USB cable for charging the headphones. I would say this is the best part because most of the smartphones comes with type C charging port, so you will not have to carry two separate cables for charging your headphone as well as your phone. You can carry just a single cable, which is a type C cable. So this is another plus point. And we get a user manual. So if you want, you can read this, but I don't think anyone needs to read this to use a headphone. So let's come to our headphones now and talk a bit about them. So these are the Tribit X Free Go wireless Bluetooth headphones, and trust me, you get what you pay for. So now let's discuss about the pros and cons of these headphones. Let's start with the pros and later on we will discuss about the cons. So first of all, this feels premium in hand, guys. Like literally you get what you pay for. Talking about the build quality, most of the part of these headphones are made up of plastic, but the plastic seems to be of good quality. The part over here, you can see this oval part with the Tribit branding and the X logo. This seems to be made up of metal as it is cold to touch. So only this part is of metal for the ear cups, I would say. This comes with the adjustable headband as well. Like other headphones, the inside material is of metal, so you don't have to worry. Like if you stretch them easily, you can stretch them and turn around. So yes, you guys know these are like foldable headphones. You can fold them in such a way and which makes it easy to carry. So the folding mechanism is well made up of metal. So here you can see the metal part over here. These hinges are made up of metal, so you can trust this, and this is not going to break easily like other headphones. Most of the headphones break from the from this part, you guys must be knowing. So yeah, this is strong, like made up of metal, so this is not going anywhere. The matte finish of the black color gives it that premium look, I would say, and the red and black combination adds up to the punch in the look. The headband comes with the cushion. Here the decent amount of cushion is provided, not much cushioning but a decent amount, which makes it comfortable if you wear it for long hours. The cushions that are provided over the ear cups are made up of memory foam, and these are like ultra smooth, I would say. This like gel in over your ears and makes it more comfortable, adds to the comfort. So let's talk about the controls over these headphones. All the controls are provided over the right ear cup, which makes it easy to access. So the middle button is a multifunctional button used for turning on and turning off the headphones, as well as play and pause the track, as well as if you twice tap it, it will enable the voice assistant. The plus and minus button, as you know, these are for like increasing the volume, decreasing the volume, and if you long press, these are used to change the track. So below that you get a type C port for charging the headphones. Beside that is the LED, and beside that is a microphone. And on the left ear cup you get this 3.5mm jack, where you can plug in the aux cable and you can use them in a wired way. This comes with this Y joint, which makes it more comfortable. So now let's talk about some specifications of these headphones. So this comes with Bluetooth 5.0 version, which makes the connectivity more seamless. As well, these are equipped with 40mm drivers, which are adequately loud enough. As well as company claims 30 to 32 hours of battery backup for a single charge. These headphones are also equipped with fast charging, so if you charge them for 10 minutes you will get 4 hours of battery backup. So all these specifications and features make me purchase these headphones. So now comes the interesting part, that is the sound quality on these headphones. So if you are a music lover, you love to hear the vocals and the instruments, then you are going to fall in love with these headphones, guys. The bass quality on this is decent. You won't get that thumpy bass, but yes, you will feel the vibrations when the bass is played. So yeah, this provides a decent quality of sound. Like all the levels are smoothly leveled up, so that you won't get the distortion even at the 100% volume. So yeah, but the sweet spot is around 70 to 80%. Like you can hear the sound very clear, and you can like distinguish between the instruments as well. Now coming to the gaming part of it, if you use Bluetooth for gaming, if you are not a hardcore gamer, then yeah, they work fine with the gaming. But if you are a hardcore gamer, I would suggest to use the cable, that is the aux cable, while gaming, as there is a slight lag which is in milliseconds. Talking about the call quality over these headphones, I would say it is decent, not much good, not much bad. It is on the average part, but yeah, for the price range it is decent and it is good, I would say. So these were all the pros of the headphones. Now let's talk about the cons. First and the foremost con that I noticed on these headphones is that there is no IPX rating. So you can't say that these are sweat proof. You can't use them in the gym. But yeah, if you are a person that doesn't sweat that much, you can use them. Another con that I found on this headphone is that these are not loud enough. Even on the 100% volume, you find that you need that 1 or 2% extra. So these were the two cons that I found on these headphones. For a price range of 2000 to 2500, I would definitely suggest you to go for this Tribit X Free Go. I've also tested some other brands, but yeah, they didn't satisfy me with the sound quality. The sound quality these headphones offer is just amazing. If you are an office goer or a student who sits for hours and attends online lectures, this can be a game changer for you guys. So yes, you can find them on Amazon. The price keeps on varying between 2000 to 2500, so keep an eye on it and grab the great deal. So let's end up this video. This was it for these headphones, guys. I hope so you liked the content. If you want me to make more such videos, do let me know in the comment section below. And also if you want to know more about these headphones, do comment. I will surely reply.